Southwood Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Chain Trade and Cup of Cursed. I know that feeling. What is going on in the bottom of my screen? What just happened? Why is what the fuck happened to my fucking computer? What the fuck? Okay. Can I press the cup, please? Help. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know what happened. My computer decided to tweak out. I ended up having to close the game and re-upload. It's bitter, almost rotten. The moment it hits my tongue, it feels like something heavy, dark, sinking into me, slow and inevitable. Tastes like despair, like something that can't be undone. The darkness clings, and I know it's not going anywhere. Am I cursed to stay like this forever? I don't have an answer for you. I really don't know. It depends on the curse. Alright, that is the Cup of Curse. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye.